I would say that the CNIL is again on its two legs, meaning the leg of the regulation as giving some rules, some red lines not to cross in its opinion, and the other one being the control and checking, and we apply this double acting to this surveillance to major events. And in that specific case, we issued in 22 already an opinion on the bill, because there was a specific bill of law relating to the organization of the Olympic and Paralympic Games. And amongst the different provisions relating to data protection was the use of algorithmic processing on images captured by video protection devices already installed, or camera on drones. So there are the drones too. And we call them augmented cameras because they use algorithmic mechanisms, but they are not facial recognition. And that was clearly a red line that we enacted in our opinion at that time. And we were followed by the Council of State, being the highest administrative court. And the government modified its bill on that point. And there are more provisions that are not as important, but still with the screening procedures planned to fan zones and participants in major events. So we enacted some provisions on those QR codes because there are new information and personal data taken. And also the possibility of setting up body scanners, and that is also another mechanism to regulate. So what is important to summarize on those 6 red lines is the fact that it is an experimental deployment. So we see that even if it's just experimental, it has to be set up. It's limited, so in time and space. 1 year after recording, or even less than that in case the experiment is shorter. And the space will be only in the vicinity of the event and the transport serving. So, of course, that the agents working at the transport companies are impacted by these mechanisms. I told you the absence of biometric data processing and the absence, too, of reconciliation with other files. So the last one would be the absence of automatic decision, meaning that the algorithms are there only to report potentially problematic situations, and people next are carrying out a human analysis. That is really something very, very important. And of course, speaking about the second leg, not to be too long about that, it means that we will, and we said that we would have some checkings done on site during all the manifestations, and that we are not waiting for complaints. We already decided to go and to do some control. Every year we have a program on our priority topics to define in our controls. And of course, the Olympic and Paralympic Games are part of it. So perhaps I can stop it for the moment.